What is up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive someone on Facebook Messenger if you archived that conversation before. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, to find archived conversations, I open up my profile. For that I tap on profile icon right there, and here is my profile settings, and now I can just tap on archive chats to see all the chats that are archived now. So to unarchive the chat I need to tap and hold for some time, and to unarchive the chat I need to long tap on that conversation name, and here in that menu select unarchived. Now I can go back there to conversation, and now I can see that this person is unarchived now. I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below that it's really worked for you.